Hi, Marcel here from Media Tuts. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to install Acquia's Dev Desktop in Windows 7. So first we need to go to Internet Explorer and enter in the URL to Acquia's download page. That's acquia.com/downloads. When the page loads, choose the correct installer for your operating system. In this case we're installing on Windows, so choose Windows and then click the download button. When the next page loads, the download process starts. We'll save the file to our downloads folder, so click Save. So depending upon the speed of your internet connection, the download could take a while, so be patient. Okay, it's now downloaded. We can run the installer directly from here or from its containing folder. I'm going to run it from its containing folder, so I'll open it up in the downloads folder and run the application from there. We'll double click on the Acquia installer. Now this is an installer application, so select yes as we want to run the program and the application launches. Click next to start the install process. And so unless your Windows setup is customized, just select the default settings. Everything's fine. You have no choice with the licensing agreement, so just click next. Again, accept the default settings. Now pay special attention to the Apache and the MySQL port settings, as it is handy information for your later use. Click next. You now need to fill in the Drupal settings form. You need to give your website a name. You need to provide a username for the administrator account. You need to provide a password for the account. And you of course need to confirm the password for the account. And last but not least, you need to add an email address for the account. All this information is required to create a user in Drupal. Once you're done, then just click on Next. Everything's good. Next, and next. And the installation starts. This will take a little bit of time depending upon the capability of your computer, but it will happen. Okay, now the installation has completed and it's going to do a bit of configuration, so ignore the terminal windows that are popping up as the application is now configuring the Apache server, MySQL, Drupal and the host settings. We also need to give the Apache server and the MySQL server firewall permissions, so click on allow access to both the Apache server and the MySQL server. A little bit more configuration to go and we're almost there and we're done. The installation process is now finished and we can now click on the Finish button and the Dev Desktop will now launch. As you can see, the Apache server is now running and so is the MySQL server. So we can now run our website by clicking on the Go to My Website button, and there it is, our new Drupal website. We can now log in using the username and password we entered when creating the site. So enter in your username and your password and then click Login. Now you can see the black menu bar at the top of the page. We are now logged in as the administrator and displays your username and logout link in the top right hand corner of the page. So that's basically it. You've installed Acquia's Dev Desktop on your local machine in Windows 7, and from here on you can start configuring and developing your Drupal website. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave your comment in the comments area below. This is Marcel from Media Tuts, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.